Welcome all children. Hope you all are safe. So yesterday we were doing the topic 3D close packing from 2D HCP layers. That is, we were making 3D structures from 2D HCP layers. So first topic that we have covered yesterday is placing second layer over first layer. That is, by doing this we got two type of voids, octahedral and tetrahedral voids. So now the second one is we'll be placing a third layer over the second layer. Yesterday we have placed second layer over first layer. Today we'll be placing a third layer over the second layer. So when we place the third layer over the second layer, there are two possibilities. As you have done earlier, that there are two kinds of void created, tetrahedral and octahedral. So the possibilities will be that the third layer may be covering either the tetrahedral void or the third layer may be covering the octahedral void. So first possibility is that the third layer may be covering the tetrahedral void of the second layer. So when you place the third layer over the tetrahedral void of second layer, then in this the third layer will be aligned exactly over the first layer, and the second layer will be aligned exactly over the fourth layer will be exactly aligned over the second layer. So you'll get an alternate pattern. First over the third over first and fourth over second. It means first and third are having same arrangement of spheres. That is, if I give them A, then second is having different arrangement of sphere B. Fourth is exactly same as second, so fourth is also B. So A, B. So the pattern we are getting is A, B. And the structure you will be getting is hexagonal close packed structure. Examples, the metals which will be showing this kind of structure is zinc and magnesium. Now this I'll explain you with the help of this diagram. So it is the first layer. You can see first layer is the same as the third layer. So if I name it A, then third layer is also A, and the second layer, fourth layer will also be exactly same as the second layer. So second layer and fourth layer will be named B. So we are placing first the second layer over the first layer. It means in these depressions here, these red two spheres will be exactly over this. Here one, here two, and the third over this. And now over the red one, second layer, you will place the third layer. In such a manner you will place the third layer over the second layer that the tetrahedral voids are being covered. So this kind of arrangement you will get 3D. Now if you join the centers of these spheres, what you are getting is a hexagon. So as a structure you got is hexagon. That is why this is hexagonal close packed structure, and the arrangement is AB type of arrangement. Now the second probability is that the third layer will be covering the octahedral void of the second layer. When the third layer will be covering the octahedral voids of the second layer, then the third layer will not be same or will not look exactly or will not be aligned with either of the first layer and the third layer. It means if first layer is A, second layer is B, then the third layer is different. It will be C. So A, B, C. First over second over first AB, and third over second C, ABC. So the type of arrangement is ABC pattern, and the structure you will be getting is cubic close packed structure, or you call it face centered cubic structure. So the arrangement or the structure you'll be getting will be in the form of a cube close packed structure or FCC structure. The metals which will be showing this kind of structure are copper and silver. Now this I'll explain you with the help of this diagram. You see here, this is the layer A of violet color, this is the layer B of green color, and this is the layer C of red color. Again violet, A color is A layer. So this kind of arrangement we get A, B, C kind of arrangement, and again here we have A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. So you see in B layer, single sphere is pointing downward and the three spheres are pointing upward, but C is its reverse. So the three spheres which were pointing upward in the layer B are pointing downward in layer C, and in layer B single sphere is pointing downward, while in layer C single sphere is pointing upward. Here this one is pointing upward. So first you will place layer B, that is second layer, over the first layer. So this over this, so it will come somewhat here downward A single sphere, and above this you will get the spheres of B. So this will come somewhat in between here. So this is here, it is coming over first layer, you are placing this B layer, and inverted will be coming over this, that is 3 over 1, 2 over 2 and 1 over 3. So this is what you are getting, and again you are placing the sphere of layer 4th over here. So this kind of arrangement you are getting. So if you join the center of the spheres of the arrangement you are getting a cube. That's why it is CCP structure. Now you compare these structures. So this kind of arrangement you will be getting. In case of HCP it is AB type of arrangement. In case of CCP it is ABC, this kind of arrangement. You look here, these are the spheres, 6 spheres, these are the 3 sphere, again 6 sphere, these are the 3 sphere, AB. In case of HCP, layer A, layer 2, layer 1, layer 2, layer 1, layer 2, AB type of arrangement. So on placing this over layer B over A, again layer B over A, layer A over B, and layer B over A, this is what you are getting, hexagonal structure. And this is what you are getting in CCP. 6 spheres over this layer B over this layer C. Now you see 3 opposite direction. This it will happen, and octahedral void will be covered. If you octahedral void is created, and this when placed over this is covered. So CCP structure, this kind of structure you will be getting. Thank you and have a nice day.